Whoever is watching this video, a big welcome. And this is a video on how to make a basic chain stitch for your crochet work. And a beginner who wants to learn how to crochet can learn how to make a basic chain stitch for your crochet projects. Okay, let's get started. You can take yarn of your choice, any yarn of your choice. We start off by making a slip knot, um, oh, which holds all the chain stitches together. And grab your yarn, and you need to hold the yarn like I'm holding it right now. And twist the yarn over, making a loop just like how I did right now. And the loose end, that is the loose end of the yarn, which is the tail, which is not attached to anywhere, which is just free. And the other yarn, the other part of the yarn, which is attached to your yarn bundle or yarn skein or hang or whatever you're having, that is called as the working yarn. And now I'll show it once again. There is a tail end of the yarn, and that is the working yarn, which is attached to your yarn bundle. Now start off by making a loop by placing the free end of the yarn over the working yarn and secure with your thumb where the two yarns crosses over one another, and take the tail end and insert it through the loop which you just made of the yarn, through the loop like so. Now hold the yarn which you inserted through the loop with your thumb, and then you grab hold of the working yarn which is attached to your yarn skein and pull the working yarn and secure the knot just like this. Now you grab hold of the loose end of the yarn and pull it through to adjust the size of the loop according to your choice. So that loop counts as the first chain stitch. Now to continue further stitches, you have to insert your hook through the loop which you just made, which is your first chain stitch, and secure it with your index finger on the crochet hook. Secure the loop with your index finger, and then you can wrap the working yarn around your index finger. And once you have the working yarn wrapped around your finger, pull it tight so that it creates a tension which helps you to work your stitches further. And now we make the first chain stitch. For that, we insert the hook under the working yarn and over the working yarn like so. Show it once again, under the working yarn and over the working yarn. And now pull the crochet hook through the previous loop you made. So you completed your first chain stitch. And now hold the loop on the crochet hook, and then just like the previously, You insert your crochet hook under the working yarn and over the working yarn like so, and pull it through the loop on the crochet hook. So you made the second chain stitch, and once again under the yarn, over the yarn, and through the loop. There you have the third chain stitch, and then you can continue like this. The fourth chain stitch, and the fifth chain stitch, sixth, and the seventh, and you can continue to your desired length for your crochet project, whatever project you're following. Yeah, and this is how your basic chain stitch looks. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel for more. Thank you.